Hey guys, welcome to Pen Industry. Hope you are doing good. I am Dr. Aishwarya with you for easy learning and better understanding. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos. Our topic is bird face. Bird face seen in the Perry-Robinson syndrome. What is Perry-Robinson syndrome? We are going to see in further here. First, we are going to see what this bird face, why it occur. It occurred due to the cause of the genetic defect. Mostly it is due to the genetic defect. Genetic defect of what? Genetic defect of very small lower jaw. When the, as you can see in the picture, when the lower jaw is very small, at that time the bird face occurrence is seen and slit in the hole in the palate of the cleft palate. That means there will be occurrence of the cleft palate. The slit or the hole like pattern will going to occur in the palate. This will leads to cleft palate. This occurs in the bird faces. Tongue appear to be fall in the throat. The tongue will going to fall in the throat region. This is known as retroglossoptosis. Okay. If lower jaw is very small, if the lower jaw is very small, that is retruded. That is retruded means inside backward as compared to the upper jaw, the bird face appearance will going to occur. Upper front teeth hang out of the mouth. When the when the lower jaw will be placed backward, when the lower jaw will be placed backward and the upper jaw is protruded, at that time the teeth here will going to hang out. This scene will be appear here, will going to appear. Very small jaw is common in Perry-Robinson syndrome. In Perry-Robinson syndrome, what you're going to see? You're going to see the lower jaw is very small. Growth of the mandible here is normalized by 5 years of age. That means during the development of the baby, at the 5 years of age, this syndrome will going to become the normal, and up till here it appears as a bird face. That is high position of the tongue is going to position at the high level and the lower jaw as well. This will leads to the speech defect. What it causes? The speech defect. The person is not going to talk in a proper manner. When the mild case will be there of this Perry Robinson syndrome, self-resolving, this will going to self-resolve. That means this will going to heal or come to back its normal position. The face will going to come its normal position, and no treatment except strict monitoring. Just you have to take care that the person is in the monitor up till self-healing is done, self-resolving is done. When the time of the severe cases, when the severe cases will be occur, the air blockage will going to occur here. Air blockage, this you are going to treat with the mechanical intervention. If the air blockage has occurred life threatening, that means the person is having a threat of life due to the air blockage, at that time the surgical intervention is given to the patient. The cleft palate, these were the occurrence seen. So to prevent these clinical features, that is cleft palate, small lower jaw, tongue appear, fall into the throat. So this how you are going to treat due to the mechanical intervention, surgical intervention, and cleft palate will going to be treated by treatment by surgery. The surgery of the cleft palate is done and it is treated to recover the bird face pattern. Okay. So this was the how the bird face occur, and why and when the face is appear like a bird. and what causes in the bird phase. This I have given in this lecture. If you like the video and understood well, please share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos. And don't forget to share the videos to your batchmates, to your friends. Thank you for watching Pen Dentistry. To know more about me, links are in description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest videos.